Are you looking to get more out of life? Earn extra income? Have more control and flexibility? If you're looking for those things on your terms, Amway may be the answer. Because Amway can be exactly what you want it to be, providing you with a flexible opportunity that puts you in control, allowing you to work when you want, where you want, and with who you want. They have been approved to operate for more than 50 years, and today they're doing business in more than 100 countries and territories, offering 450 high-quality health, home, and beauty products people use every day that you can use and share with confidence. Amway's products come with a 100% satisfaction guarantee using ingredients that come from plants grown on their own certified organic farms. Exceptionally crafted by nearly 1,000 scientists and engineers, they control the manufacturing process from beginning to end across more than 75 R&D and quality assurance labs around the world. Their goal is simple: to create the highest quality products that are safe for you and your family. And when it comes to starting with Amway, you choose what success looks like. There are no quotas to meet. There's no need to carry or keep track of inventory. In fact, if you're not fully satisfied with your Amway experience, there's even a 100% money-back guarantee on your sign-up costs. And they are committed to helping you achieve your goals through brand centers, personal mentors, team meetings, and free online training when it works for you. There are even call centers to help you whenever you have questions. Their passion is helping people live healthy and confident lives. Because at Amway, business is personal. You choose your path, whether you're simply buying for yourself, sharing with your customers, or mentoring others. Amway fits into your life, no matter what you're looking for. So, what are you waiting for?